Your line is strong, your guns are ready, but you're only watching one direction. Security means protecting your force from surprise, interference, and attack. The enemy is trying to leverage all advantages it can get or create. Don't give them opportunity. Let's see what can happen if you don't prepare. Most defeats don't come from the enemy you see, they come from the one you didn't. While your attention was hyper-focused to the front, you neglected all other avenues of approach. In this situation, the west flank is completely unprotected or even scouted. Threats develop outside the main axis of advance. Once the enemy reaches your flank, every other plan becomes secondary. The battle shifts from decision to survival. Your line fails, your commands become unorganized chaos. Security failure forces reactive fighting. You no longer control the battle space. How do you protect the force? Security isn't about stopping the enemy. It's about seeing them in time to respond. By pushing light troops forward and protecting the flank, you buy time and information. Small forces preserve big forces. The enemy is still there, but now they're detected, delayed, and forced to fight on your terms. Security preserves freedom of action. Security doesn't prevent battle, it prevents disaster. It allows you to respond with controlled violence, to have agency in the response rather than your leaders responding like a reflex. Back in Normandy during World War II, units learned to screen and scout consistently due to the close terrain. It helped reduce ambushes, improve maneuver. In close terrain, security becomes a continuous combat function, not a pre-battle step. Security protects your force. Surprise destroys the enemy's plan. That's the next principle. This has been Keith's Orders of Battle, Principles of War.